Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. If you read the title of this video and you clicked on it, you know what it's all about. It's all about taking a mailbox and making it into a barbecue caddy. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back to tell you how this brain works. All right, YouTube family. My family has told me in the past that it's not my brain oftentimes that's working. They think that my thought process only goes to about right here and it never even reaches my brain. Now, the reason this came about, I had a mailbox replaced. The old mailbox didn't look bad. It just got caught up in the hurricane, had a few dents in it, whatever. And I sat it back here to figure out what to do with it, whether to throw it away or not. And when I sat it back here, this or wherever these ideas come from, it went to work. A barbecue caddy. And I know most of y'all are familiar with what a barbecue caddy is. They come in all different shapes and sizes. They're wooden, they're plastic, made out of all different kind of materials. Usually comes with a handle. You take your forks, your utensils, your barbecue sauce, ketchup, mustard, whatever, and you bring it to whatever area you're barbecuing in. Well, as y'all know, I'm lazy, and I have probably about 4 different areas I cook in. I cook here in the hog pen, I cook from the Jeep, I cook here at home, and I also cook in the RV now. So I have 3 or 4 sets of utensils, and I don't like moving them from place to place. I find myself running back and forth trying to find what I need. So with this idea that I came up with from somewhere, I don't have to run around anymore when I'm using the hog pen. Boom. As y'all can see, I have a light in there. It's motion activated, and that's why I waited till dark or dusk to do this video. I wanted y'all to be able to see that light. Now, this is what I have going. I keep all my utensils in here. I keep my mitt in case I'm cooking eggs or whatever. I have my barbecue utensils. I have a dirty ladle. I have a spatula. I have a hook for my meat. There's a magnet inside as well, and I keep the magnet stayed on the skewers. I also have my barbecue, my skewers for my Big Easy, my pitchfork, tongs, and some Pam. And all that fits inside of this mailbox, and there's room for plenty more stuff. I'll put all that back when the video's over. But now, y'all can see why I love this idea. Now, this morning when I first put this in, I have mine bolted or screwed to the fence, and I have it secured to my 4x4 post. Mine is not portable, but it doesn't have to be, because just like at your mailbox at the road or on the side of your house, your mail never gets wet, nothing ever gets soggy in there. It's usually water impenetrable. So with that idea, I never have to take my utensils inside. I simply take them out, I wash them here in my sink. And if y'all not familiar with this sink, I think I did a video on this sink earlier. If I didn't, there's one coming. I simply put all my utensils in the mailbox neatly. Close the door. Boom, and we're done. When I come outside, I'm ready to barbecue. I'm ready to cook me some breakfast, make me some coffee. I pull the Big Easy out, whatever the case may be. I'm not running around now looking for my utensils. If they're hanging on the side of the fence, like this knife, and they get all rusty, I don't have to worry about that anymore. So it's one of those brilliant ideas that I think I have from time to time, boom, a mailbox caddy, we'll call it. It might be an invention on the way, you never know. But like I said, if you have old mailbox laying around or anything like this that doesn't get things all wet or water soluble, it's a perfect idea. And boom, the light, oh, the light, motion activated light, genius. It's USB, so I do have to charge it from time to time, but that's probably gonna be about once every 2 weeks I have to charge it. It's removable. I just take it, put it back on its base, and I glued the base to the mailbox with super glue, so it's there. So there you have it, family. While we're out here in the hog pen, show you around a little bit. I made a few changes. I moved that cabinet over here. I put the two tables together. The mailbox, of course, my barbecue pit. I took the large signs off of the fence, and I'm starting my sign collection. I found the Superman sign, and I also found this sign, and this is my favorite. Vegetarian. Loose translation of old Indian word for bad hunter. I love that. And I picked these up from a little store in Moss Bluff, Louisiana, which is about 7 miles from where I live. I picked that up, and the name of the store, check this out, is This and That. And I'll drop a little footage in where me and my mother-in-law went over there, just kind of looking around. I asked the lady, did she have a sign section? She said yes. I went through about 100 signs. I found these two signs, and I also found two that I have in the garage that are Jeep related. I didn't want to put any holes in the garage, so I think I magnetized them to the side of my refrigerator. So they're there representing the Jeep. All right, fam, one other thing I want to show y'all. Well, you know what? I'll say that for a later video. But that's it. This is a quick down and dirty video, like I always say. I just want to show y'all how my brain works, how the mailbox, let me turn y'all around. How the mailbox works. And like I said, I honestly think it's a genius idea. All right, family. Well, if y'all enjoyed this video, as usual, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all have a great day, a great week, and a great rest of this quickly moving on 2021. Peace. Booyah! Oh! Albert Einstein ain't got nothing on me.